So hello everyone, welcome back to Shikuya. I hope you guys are doing really great. Well, in previous video we already talked about 4 companies that are providing more than 15 LPA. So in this video we'll be discussing about our 5th company that is providing more than 15 LPA, and the company is Morgan Stanley. Currently Morgan Stanley is providing 19.1 LPA. So we will be discussing about what basic skills are required, what are recruitment process, and what benefits we are getting after joining the company. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it, and let's get started. So the basic skill required to be part of Morgan Stanley is you should be very good with your communication skill and your soft skill development, and as well as you should have very good business communication skill. Okay, and Morgan Stanley is looking for a person who can stay calm even the pressure is increasing, and you should have very good technical background as well. So now let us focus on what are the recruitment process of Morgan Stanley. So you have 6 rounds of interview. The very first round will be your written interview, second will be your programming interview, third will be your technical round, fourth will be your group activity. After group activity you have second round, that is second technical round, and then you will be having your final round, that is HR round. So in very first round, that is written test, you have 2 tests to complete, and the time duration will be 1 hour 30 minutes. So the first test will be aptitude test and second will be your technical test. After that you will be having your programming interview. In programming interview you have time duration of 45 minutes to 1 hour, and in this time duration you will be having 4 to 5 questions to solve, and the question will be from operating system or coding or operating or data structure. After that you will be having your third round, that is technical round. In technical round some common questions will be asked that you have mentioned on your CV, and about your internship, about your if you have job experience, and projects you have done. So these questions will be covered in your technical round, and some questions will be asked about programming language if you have done some courses apart from your college courses such as C++, Java, Python. So these questions will be asked at the time of interview. After completing technical round you will be having group activity, and this round is very interesting where certain groups are divided and particular topic is given. Maybe you can discuss about current affairs, or some topic will be given for you to discuss, and it's very important to be proactive in this particular round. And in this round your management skill is seen, and your behavior towards your group, your leadership quality, and how optimistic person you are. So this all thing will be considered in this particular round. And after that you will be having technical round 2, which will be quite advanced than first technical round. And in this particular technical round you will be questioning about, you'll be having certain questions about your system operating and about data structure, about different programming languages. So it's very important to prepare in advance, and you should have in advance information. Okay, after that you will be having your HR round. In HR round the HR will be asking you very basic question just to check your pronunciation skill, your body language, and the confidence level. Okay, so the common question will be like what do you know about our company? So it's very important before you give an interview you should go through the company's website, because the HR can ask anything about the company just to know how much you know our company before you join it. Okay, so after that you will be having some more questions like would you like to relocate, describe yourself in 3 words, and where do you see after 5 years in the company. So these are the questions, and it's very important to answer quite differently what other people's answer. It shouldn't be same. So bring some new words or add some good words when you give this particular time interview. After that, now let's focus on main part, that is what benefits we are getting after joining the company. So the Morgan Stanley, it gives entertainment facility. See, with a great pressure, they are also, taking care of their employers. So they give entertainment facilities, they have food allowance, travel allowance, as well as they have, creativity freedom. So if you have any ideas, you can come up with your ideas and you can present in front of everyone. They will motivate and they will work on it. So here I have creativity freedom. You will get paid sick leave, and that is unlimited sick leave you can get, maternity leave you can get. Okay, so I hope you really liked this video, and this was the 5 companies that are providing more than 15 LPA. And if you liked our video, please like it, subscribe it and share our video. Thank you so much. Thank you.